Now let's see what is the current status. If I just click on the issues, and it's still showing issues, but if I reload this page, then you can see the issues is gone, right? If I click on view details, then you will see in few minutes ago it's completed. That means after solving the issues, I have just wait for 1 hour and it's already completed, right? So you can easily fix your issues by, we have already seen that how can we solve these issues and update the applications, right? Now it's still in here on a few of them are told me that this type of issues still on available in here, but on the applications it's already in 36, right? You see that it's also 36. If I go to this bundle, then you will see this is the 36. Yeah, SDK is 36, right? So still the notification is here and warning showing here. So what is the issues? So let's figure it out and fix it. So first of all, if we go to the testing section and if we go to the internal testing, then we will see there are already available is a 16 version. That means this is the previous version before 36 API level. And when we update the API level, we have to update on here also, or we can just pause the track. There are two options. One is we have to update on here. How can you update that with that version which is already you uploaded on the production? So let's at first update the version. So to update the version, if just click on the create new release, and you can upload the same version you have already uploaded on production, but it will not work because we have to upload the new bundle file with updated version code or and the version number. So we just call from the bundle file which is like 17 and version and API level is 24 plus, right? So we can just add from library and just next it and save and publish. So this is one way. Another way is we can just pause this track. When you just pause this track, it will not affect on our main notification or those issues because this is the pause. And if similarly you have to go other testing release section. Okay, this is close testing. Here is no track is available. And also if I go to the open testing, then you can see there are available one release available. So we have to update it with 36 bundle file, or we just pause this. So the easiest way is just pause it because we don't need this right now. Okay, just pause the test. And after pause the testing, if you go to the production overview, you will see the change not yet submitted for review. So just submit it for one review. Okay, so at first you have to check all the testing section. Is there any available testing track or not? If on testing track, if API level 35, 34 or previous one, then you have to update that, or you can just pause the testing. This is the main thing. Okay, so it's in review. Hopefully it will take few minutes to review. After that it will be completed, but the notification will gone. It will take few days, sometimes few hours. So it's depend on Google. So let's wait for it and I will update on the community. Thank you.